Innovation for me is to be agile in the response of the ever-changing need within the SKF Group. In essence, we are a support function, so if we act quickly and efficiently to cater for the needs of our internal customers, we also enable and empower innovation. My name is Virginia Ahlberg, and I work within the Business Process Solutions team in SKF IT. Our organization maintains and delivers global IT solutions and services to the SKF business. We are the critical link between SKF and our IT suppliers and aim to create value and enable business for the entire SKF Group. I actually graduated from the SKF Technical School and have been working here in SKF ever since. I started out working summers in production while studying at the university. After I completed my degrees in finance and engineering, I've held different positions within purchasing, manufacturing, logistics, and now in SKF IT. I'm actually a third generation SKF since both my grandfather as well as my father used to work here. So I guess it's embedded in my DNA and I was destined to work here. I'm passionate about interior design and it's by far my favorite hobby. It's all about the shapes, the colors and finding that little detail that makes everything complete. Similar to what I do at work where I put people in the right teams. Every day I interact with people from different parts of the organization. It could be one-to-one meetings with my key stakeholders, pulse meetings or video conference with my global team. I really love the fact that I get the opportunity to work with people from different parts of the organization, both process-wise as well as geographically. This gives me the opportunity to broaden my perspective and also learn a lot. Me and my team manages roughly 40 global applications and support the SKF Group with critical operations. On top of this, we're also involved in several initiatives as well as transformation projects. So therefore, obviously, my main challenge is resource management. I have a very high-performing team consisting of highly skilled and motivated individuals. They're all really key resources. So here we're working very close together with our internal stakeholders to make sure that we prioritize and put the right people in the right place. In SKF IT, speed is really the key. So my main future challenge is try to keep up with all the demands by prioritizing and balancing the resources against expected deliverables. My goal is to provide a leadership that is encouraging and engaging everyone to work towards one team, and that makes me really happy.